Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair review, tutorial, install, whatever you want to call it. I seen this wig, hold on. I seen this wig on ebonyline.com. That's mostly where I get my synthetic wigs from. I get it from a bunch of other places, but usually I do get it from Ebonyline because they're really fast when it comes to like new arrivals. I'm always on all the wig sites to see what's new so I can just grab it and do a review for you. And they're always the ones that have the new ones immediately. So this is another Outre wig. Is it Outre? Outre has been zipping and zooming it. This is a new wig that's on the market. It is the Perfect Hairline. You know they have a Perfect Hairline collection. So this is fully hand-tied 13x6 lace wig. The style is Sierra and the color is a spicy red. Yeah. Oh, okay. Attach. Oh, chill. Okay. We want that. Let's take it out of here. Ooh, okay. We don't need that. It has like a padded in it. This, I guess, to keep the curl intact. I guess, I don't know if I should, yeah, let me just take it out. But oh, that's cute. It came to keep the curls intact. I really do appreciate that. Looks, you guys, spicy red. Oh, the hairline is like perfection. Look at that. Oh my gosh. The lace needs to be tinted. As you can see, it's like a, I'm gonna try it on. I'm gonna try it on and see if the lace needs to be tinted, and if it does, we're gonna tint it. So this wig has two clips in the front, but they're really small. So let's see how that fits on my head. It has a large strap in the back that's attached to the wig, so that's a good thing. It has a large clip in the back, and it also has the wig straps that come with every synthetic wig, like that. And I'm gonna clip those together because I need to use all of that. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna try it on and see how it looks on my head first, and then after that I'm gonna determine like how I'm gonna style it, etc. Okay, oh, another one. I can't believe I didn't find it. Another one. These are so cute. I'm gonna keep them. Okay. So I am probably, well, let me see. I might not even have to tint it that much. Let me see. It's giving me Rihanna's Loud era. Was it Loud? The Loud era? Sick like my persuasion. What was it? It was I love it when you, no, it was Kate ear. It looks like it's good, but I'm still gonna tint it because that's just how I do. I have to tint the lace. Like it can't be just this white color. It feels like the hair feels like black hair, like black natural blown out hair. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's what I'm gonna do to it. So I guess keep watching and watch me style this wig.
You Sorry,
This is the finished look, my babies. I love it. I love how it came out. You know, it's a little like when you comb the curls out, it looks a little bit messy and you kind of don't know like where to go. What I would suggest is when you do comb it, you just flip it back to the pattern of the curls. That's all I did. Because if not, it's gonna come out. Like this part was coming out a little bit and I just took some spray and I just like that. Then I take, or what you can do is you can spray the comb. If you don't want to spray too much on the hair, you can spray the comb or you can spray your brush and then just like run it through the wig. I definitely recommend this wig. I would give it 4.5 stars, only because I felt like the curls are could be a little bit more like, I don't know, together. So I'll give it like a 4 stars out of 5. Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks from the back right now. Oh, and my shirt, oh, this is how it looks. This is how long it is. So it's 24 inches. So it's not that long, so I think that's good. I got my shirt from Shein. I love bad boys. Yeah, I really do. I love the hair. I love the length of it. So I'm gonna show you how it looks from the back. This is how it's looking. Stand up like that. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know below what you think. Will you be purchasing her or will you be passing on her? Let me know. Anyways, I love you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next I will see you in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.